Why is it important for you to share your story? Credibility, yes. Yes, people relate to you, yep.
Rapport.
Yes, thank you. People decide they like you or not. Social proof. So it's not just me telling my story, it's not just me saying, you know, I'm qualified to tell you this stuff, it's the story. Is there, yeah? So now I call this the buying box. Whenever you buy something, whenever you decide to make a decision to buy something, whatever level that is, you need to tick some boxes in your head. In your case, because it's such a low level in entry, there's not much objections, yeah? But if today was $400, what other boxes would you need to tick? Depending on the level of how much it is. But for some people, just one box for this price and 4 hours of the day is not enough. Everyone is different, yeah? So you need to understand your clients. Some of them will be like that. I just saw it, it's 87, I was free, why not? But some people will be like, no, I stalked you for hours, for days, for months, for years. So the buying box is priceless to me in my business. Every single time one of my team, we've got now 10 people that work for my empowering event, and every single time they put a post on Facebook, they put an email out to my database, I say, what box are you ticking? If you're not ticking boxes, you are wasting your time. You need to tick a box. Oh, it actually doesn't tick any box, does it? I'm like, well, how can you make it tick a box? Oh, maybe if I say this way, I'm like, yes, that will tick trust. Good, let's do it that way. Right? So everything we do is to tick a box. The more boxes people tick, the more chance they have that they're going to come to the next level of your funnel.